What in the world? Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're live streaming for a severe risk that is in Oklahoma and I believe Kansas. I have to make sure I'm not being retarded because yes, Kansas. So Kansas and Oklahoma and maybe parts of Colorado as well. The cities for Colorado that are in this possible severe thunderstorm thing is Burlington, and that's about it. There's nothing much to really talk about for Colorado, mostly just Kansas and Oklahoma. Mostly Oklahoma because they're going to have the highest risk today, as you can see on the supercell composition. You can see, like, right... Oh my god, I forgot the only thing that I need. So, we have a high chance of supercells forming right there and right here and right here. Now, as this... Now, as the storm progresses, it actually, for some reason, like, goes backward. So, for 21 hours into the future, we have a very high risk of supercells right here. Which could be dangerous or could not be. It's kind of hard to see, but the whole entire risk can go all the way up to Kansas, back down to even into Mexico. That's how far this goes down. Now, you could see that it continues as well to also enter into Houston, also Huntsville, and continues again and upgrades very highly in Louisiana. So this is probably where our main chance is going to be for tornadoes and hail and wind. We already have super high wind already, as you can see by these little wind graphs. You can see that there's actually 2 flags now, which is just crazy. That's the strongest wind you can get. So we also have like a chance right here and a chance right here. It's kind of weird. Oh yeah, so let me show you. Okay, so this is today. Oh man. So this is today. You can see that the slight risk is in Kansas and Oklahoma. It's actually in, I'm pretty sure, it's in Oklahoma, Hutchins, Kansas, Wichita, Kansas, Green City, Dodge City. Yeah, you get it. So it is also very close to Oklahoma City, which is a very big city. It's the main city in Oklahoma. They are also in this risk right here, so yeah, they could definitely be a good thing right here. They'll probably get some tornadoes. It's at a 5% risk for tornadoes, which is very high still. The 2% has obviously a less chance. The wind is at 15%. This one is not really affecting as much of the area as the tornado chance was. No, the hail is bigger as well. This one might go into a SIG. Kind of depends. We'll have to be watching this one as well because, yeah. This is the day 2 risk. This one's kind of being confusing because this one just moved back, like, east. So this is the tornado risk. It's at a 5% as well. The 2% is kind of out, not reaching Houston. Wind chance is also there at a 15%. This might go to a SIG. And the hail chance... This is bullcrap. There's no way. There's no hail for that. There's a 5% chance of a tornado. And a 15% chance of strong wind. And there's a 0% chance of hail, except for up here. But that part doesn't count. That's stupid. Okay, so for day 3... we're still looking at 2 severe weather chances. So we have one right here and one up here. This one probably will have a tornado chance more at the coast. Also, it's in the Florida, Mississippi, Alabama, mostly just Alabama. This one is in Ohio. So, yeah, Ohio, and then we have where all of these thunderstorms could be, which is just right here in general. So they'll probably start along a line right here and gradually get the moisture right there. Same for up here with all the strong winds that are pushing out this Gulf moisture quite fast, actually. And then we have a slight chance, or not slight chance. We have a thunderstorm area for New Mexico and Arizona. So all of these areas could potentially, except for this, of course, and all of this, could actually have rain or thunderstorms or tornadoes. Kind of depends. I won't be going live tomorrow, so yeah. If this does change, go to Weather Prediction Center. Okay, so this is actually the link right here. Take a picture or whatever you want to do. I really don't care. Take a picture. I'll give y'all about like 1 minute if anybody's on to take that picture. So yeah. Alright, I hope y'all got that picture. So, the main risk for this one actually reaches out to about there. There could literally be tornadoes out in the coast as well, like out here. So, yeah. Now, up here has obviously more hail chance because it's colder up here. So since it's colder up here, there will be more of like a hail chance, like kind of above here if they do get severe weather. That's why in like these areas, whenever we had the big tornado outbreak, there was a bunch of hail as well included with it. So yeah, these people right here in Arizona and New Mexico are gonna have like rain for like a few days actually. So let me go back to day 1 and see if they're there too. So day 1, they are there. They are gonna get rain. Okay, they still have rain, and they're still having rain. That's 3 days of just continuous rain, and it upgrades too after like a day. So, oh my god. So our main threat area is gonna be right here. And then for like day 3 and beyond, it's gonna be right here. So all right here could get maybe a few thunderstorms or tornadoes. Right here, it's a guaranteed chance of tornadoes and hail and wind, mostly just wind, and tornadoes. Most storm chasers might not go for this one down here, but they I don't know. It's kind of hard to see this because they both have a really good chance. So they might go for both. So this is the radar right now. You can see that there's already some smaller thunderstorms that are popping. Sorry. You can already see that there are some small thunderstorms popping up in North Oklahoma right now into Kansas. They're also in Texas and higher up. We could probably play through this. So you can see that they're forming on the Texan border, or Texas state border. Flash warning if it does happen. So you can see that it starts to really form right here. It kind of just explodes with energy. Also with the ones in Kansas as well. You can see up here. So yeah. Really? No. Okay. So, for all of this area, y'all are probably going to get rain right now, including, like, most of just Oklahoma and Kansas. Now, the only reason why I'm showing mostly just these smaller thunderstorms is that I've seen thunderstorms pop up kind of weird like this, and they could literally produce a tornado within probably about 30 minutes to about 45 minutes or longer or shorter. So now I'm mostly just watching these ones now, not these ones, because these ones are still weak at the moment. So we have to watch the more important ones, which is going to be the ones that are more north. Which one's going to be right here. So on my radar, these are, like, this one's way dark red, and this one is dark red. So they both are pretty dark red, actually. See, now, southeast Texas could actually be hit tonight by these thunderstorms. So we can go to National Weather Service real fast. A lot of stuff going on right now in the United States. Like, we have blizzard warnings. We have winter storm warnings. You know, we have a bunch of stuff. We have hard freeze warning. Hard freeze spray warning, which is somewhere probably over here. Oh, it's right here. Oh, wait, no, that's beach hazards. Damn it. Same thing. Anyways, so yeah, we have a lot of stuff going on in the U.S. We're mostly watching down here, not up here. The meteorologists who like blizzards and stuff, which is going to be like Ryan Hall and stuff, they're going to all be watching up here. I'm going to be watching down here. That should not be copyright. I hope it's not. Okay, so yeah, it says breezy today, still breezy. Thunderstorms. This thing's being annoying. So, I guess we can look at this map too. I mean, nothing much really changes with that snow. I mean, it really stays in that one spot. It actually hits a low pressure system. So we have 2 days of severe weather, well, 3 in the U.S., mostly just the southern U.S. and parts of the north U.S. No, we really have to watch day 1 and day 2, because if we don't, we could easily miss, tornadoes and stuff. So we always have to watch those two. So I am in the 1 out of 5 risk, but I'm also close to the 2 out of 5 risk. So yeah, I'm still watching this myself, that's why. And I mean, these risks are weird because the storms could always form earlier than expected. Like, they could always form like back here instead of like right here. And they could get more strength, and then this light risk could be like pushed like out to here or something. And I'm pretty sure that right here is probably going to have an enhanced risk, probably. I think they're going to probably expand the yellow to about right here. And then if it gets any worse, then they'll expand this where the yellow is. Let's just hope that doesn't happen, because there could be a lot of higher chance of tornadoes, hail, if it actually does pop up. The tornado chance is already super high right now. It's already at a 5%, which at a 5%, that's where I usually see a lot of tornadoes. So, yeah, this tornado season is going to be absolutely crazy. It's going to be ballistic. It's going to be fast. It's not going to be slow. And the main population areas is scary, because if you have high population right here and you got a big tornado outbreak forming right here and it just keeps upgrading as it goes, a lot of people could die, including right here, because they usually move down southeast for some reason. But really anywhere in the U.S. except for everywhere else, like out here, or even right here, right there, right there. You get it. In a lot of spots, there'll be less people. But right here, also, it's Houston is the biggest city almost in the U.S., except for probably this city and all of these ones in New York. It's definitely not bigger than New York, but it's more of a dense population. So, yeah, it's sketchy. And it's weird too, because it looks like it goes into Willis. I mean, Willis is growing, so I guess that makes sense. Because we can go to perfect whole weather. Okay, so we're gonna look at the cap, which is humidity in the air, and if there's less humidity, then there's a less chance of a thunderstorm. So I guess we can look at that real fast. Okay, so it looks like for our thunderstorms, the cap is already starting to form, sadly. So, it dies pretty fast too. So, and this cap does break pretty fast. So, yeah. There is higher tornado chances kind of everywhere. I have a marginal tornado chance right now. I think. If we go back to where I'm supposed to get my severe weather, it's gonna be like -9, I think. Yeah, there's like no cape. So then if we go more forward, not that much forward, like right, no. Okay, well, whatever. Good enough. So, I mean, I'm more like right there. It says none, but I bet you right when you move a little bit more south, it's going to say everything is different. Oh, no, this is nothing. Okay, cool. So, we actually do have a decent, like, well, that's rare. Never seen that happen. So, I mean, the next tornado outbreak that we are probably going to have is going to start in Texas. This is 198 hours from now, so it can always change. Highest tornado chances are right here, and right here, really. Right, a little bit right there. Now, the higher tornado chances, which is going to be more into the future, actually, which will just shoot north, will also be just right here. Tornado chances highest right here. In these smaller pockets, actually, because these will have a way higher chance of tornadoes because they are smaller pockets. So yeah, I'm going a little bit faster because I have to kind of speed through this. Nothing else after that, really. There's nothing after that today, so yeah. These storms are also dying in some spots. No, I guess not. They're all creating still. Okay, cool. So yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna have to end the stream here. I've been streaming for 22 minutes. So yeah, guys, I guess I'll see y'all next time.